Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, me and my boy, youngest boy, Jace right here, we're going to split up some wood for firewood season. I'm already starting to get a couple calls for some firewood. So I got some that's been sitting out here for probably a year and a half, 2 years. I think we're gonna get after it and split it up. And, a little bit cooler and here in Alabama, so the calls are starting to come in, and he's wanting to make some extra money.
That's right, that's right.
That's right. You hear him?
Yeah.
How much you want to make?
Around 15, 10.
He wants to make $15. And what are you going to use it for?
Amazon.
Amazon. Jeff Bezos is about to get this money. And what are you going to buy?
Some toys and stuff.
It never ends, guys. It never ends. If you're a young guy, don't have kids. It's expensive.
Hey!
Hey!
You're rude!
He says I'm rude. All right, well, let's get after it. Yeah, I hear you. I'll put you on the
15, 20 bucks.
15, 20 bucks. All right.
I mean, you know, if it's 5, you always got to round up, so that's like 20 bucks, yeah.
I hear you. All right, guys, me and Jace just got finished up splitting some wood today. And we knocked it out, and we worked about 45 minutes to an hour on this little bit of wood we split. So ain't too bad. He'll make him some money. It teaches him some lessons, and it's good for exercise for me, because you know, older I'm getting fatter. So, but yeah, and I'm already having calls for firewood this year. Yeah, it's going pretty well. You know, the weather's been awful dry here. I mean, we need the rain real bad, and usually we're just, I mean, swamped with rain. And but this year it hasn't been that bad. It's been dry, too dry. I mean, you know, it's gonna cause fires for us over with if we don't get some rain. But yeah. But that 22 Husky right there, it does great for if you're a homeowner. I mean, it's a good little wood splitter. If you're starting out, I mean, hey man, you can pick them up for about $400 to $800. You can see them all the time on Marketplace. And sometimes there's a little bit stuff wrong with them here and there, like the motor might be bad, or you know, the cylinder needs to be rebuilt, or you know, it's just easy stuff where you could, you know, you can find a scrap one that has a good motor, and you can put it on there, and or you can rebuild it either way. Or go down to Harbor Freight and just pick you up one. I mean, they not that bad or too expensive, I'd say. Hey guys, if you liked the video, hit the like button and the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.